Hello children. Now for those who have missed the previous video, we are doing the worksheet of term 1, right? Because last time what happened? We have finished all the chapters and then we started doing the worksheet, right? But now we are doing the worksheet along with the chapters because last time it was too much burden, too much pressure to do all the worksheet together. It was all writing, right? So this time what we are doing is we are going to do the worksheet side by side along with the chapters. So now we are done with the fourth chapter, which is in your term 1, right? The animal adventures. Animal adventures chapter is in your term 1. So we have finished with the chapter, and to give a brief revision or recap of the chapter, we have done possessive pronouns, we have done the movement words of the animals, and we have done a story of animal artist Ruby, who was an elephant, and we have done a poem on the telephony, that is elephant making telephone call, right? And we finished the chapters by doing the question and answers of the chapter. Now what we are doing is worksheet of term 1. So we have done the unseen passage 1, right? It was about Rover, Frank and Anne. Done. Now today what we are going to do is unseen passage 2, right? So let's start reading the passage. Today is 7th July, right? So let's start doing the passage. Let's read the passage first. Bees live in a house that is called a beehive. As we live in a house, similarly the bees also live in a house. Now, do you know the houses of various animals and what is it called? Like, for example, the house of ant is called anthill. The house of rabbit is called burrow. The house of lion is called den, right? Then there's the house of dog is called kennel. The house of pig is called sty. The house of horse is called stable. Then we have the house of cow is called shed, right? So all the animals and creatures have their houses, right? Similarly, the bee is also having a house which is known as hive. Do you know bees? We get honey from honey bees, right? So where do they make the honey? They make the honey in a hive. और वो honey कैसे बनाते हैं? They go and sit on the flowers, nectar. उसमें से वो nectar में से juice लेकर फिर वो अपने hive में आते हैं और honey बनाते हैं, right? And there is a queen bee who give them instructions and she stays in the hive, right? Okay, now let's read. Bees live in a house that is called a hive. There are 3 kinds of bees: workers, drones and queens. See, I told you there's a queen. Now what happens? There are 3 kinds of bees in the hive. And who are they? They are workers, drones and queens. Now who are the workers? The workers are the one who fly out and bring the juice from the nectars, and drones are the one who start making the honey in the hive, and queen is the queen. She supervises everything and she looks after that the honey is made properly. Okay, only one queen bee can live in each hive. Every hive has only one queen bee that gives orders, right? If she is lost or dead, the other bees will stop their work. Now see, how nice, na? इतनी यूनिटी होती है सब में। इफ़ द क्वीन बी, अगर जो रानी बी है वो मर जाए या खो जाए तो बाकी सारे दूसरे लोग, दूसरे बीज जो होते हैं वो काम करना बंद कर देंगे। वाई? बिकॉज देर इज़ नो वन टू गिव देयर इंस्ट्रक्शन, राइट? Bees are very wise and busy little creatures. Yes, as busy as bee बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. Why? Because the bees are very busy creatures and little ones. And wise means बहुत clever होते हैं, बहुत दिमाग वाले होते हैं, right? And they are very hard working. They all join together to build cells of wax for their honey. What do? They all join together. सब एक साथ जुड़ जाते हैं. What do they do? To build cells of wax. हाइव्स में देखा है आपने, छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं ना, अलग अलग छेद, और ऐसे सड़कोन, ऐसे सड़कोन के जैसे बने हुए होते हैं ना हाइव्स में. Isn't it? अलग अलग टुकड़े बने होते हैं, राइट? हाइव्स में ऐसे अलग अलग टुकड़े बने होते हैं ना. These are called the cells. ऐसे जो अलग अलग टुकड़े से हनी हाइव बनता है, these are called the cells, right? So what do? The bees join together to build the cells of wax where they can make honey and collect honey, right? Each bee takes its proper place and does its own work. See, घर पे भी होता है ना, हर किसी का अपना काम होता है और हर किसी को अपना काम पता होता है कि कैसे करना है. सिमिलरली हनी बीज के साथ भी यही होता है. हर बी को अपना काम पता है और वो अपना ही काम करती है, दूसरे का काम नहीं करती. उसको पता है कि मुझे इतना काम करना है, तो वो अपना काम करेगी और परफेक्टली करेगी, राइट? Some go out and gather honey from the flower. कुछ लोग बाहर जाते हैं और कुछ बीज बाहर जाते हैं और वो फ्लावर्स के नेक्टर से जूस चूसते हैं और उसका हनी इकट्ठा करते हैं, राइट? Others stay at home and work inside the hive. और जो बाकी सारे होते हैं वो हाइव के अंदर ही रहते हैं और अंदर काम करते हैं, राइट? Now turn the page. The cells which they build are all of one shape and size and no room is left between them. जो सेल्स वो बनाते हैं, अभी मैंने जो आपको ड्राइंग बनाया वो अलग अलग शेप्स और साइज़ का था ना, बट हनी बीज इतने परफेक्ट होते हैं अपने काम में कि वो हर सेल जो सेल्स बनाते हैं वो हर सेल एक ही साइज़ का होता है और एक ही शेप का होता है, वो अलग अलग नहीं होता है. अगर मान लो एक सेल 2 इंचेस का है तो दूसरा सेल भी 2 इंचेस का होगा. एक सेल में अगर 5 साइड्स है तो दूसरे सेल में भी 5 साइड्स होंगे और इक्वल साइज के होंगे, राइट? एंड दोनों सेल्स के बीच में कोई भी स्पेस नहीं होता है. देयर इज नो रूम लेफ्ट बिटवीन द सेल्स. फाइन. The cells are not round. They have 6 sides. See, I told you, षटकोण, 6 sides, and they are not round, right? What is 6? How does it look? 6 sides wala? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, having 6 sides, right? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ऐसे ही होता है, राइट? सी, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, राइट? देखो, आई हैव मेड द सेल्स. मैंने 6 सेल्स तो बनाए हैं, isn't it? मैंने 6 साइड के सेल्स तो बनाए हैं, बट क्या बना है, सारे सेल्स एक साइज के हैं क्या? नहीं है ना, दे आर ऑफ डिफरेंट साइजेस, इजंट इट? है तो सबके 6 साइड्स, लेकिन सब अलग अलग साइज के बने हैं। बट हनी बीज ऐसा नहीं करते, दे मेक सेल्स ऑफ इक्वल साइज। शेप तो सबका सेम होता है, बट साइजेस भी सेम होते हैं। अगर एक 1 इंच का है तो दूसरा भी 1 इंच का होगा, अगर एक 2 इंच का है तो दूसरा भी 2 इंच का होगा, अगर एक 3 इंच का है तो दूसरा भी 3 इंच होगा। मतलब वो जितना भी बड़ा हाइव बना लें, लेकिन उसमें जो सेल्स होते हैं वो सब इक्वल साइज के होते हैं और इक्वल शेप के होते हैं, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द क्वेश्चंस। Where do bees live? अभी मैंने बताया ना, where do bees live? Where do they make honey? The bees live in a hive, right? So the answer is bees live in a hive. And what is the spelling of hive? Hive का spelling is HIVE, hive. 5 का क्या होता है? FIVE, 5, isn't it? So F का pronunciation is fur and H का pronunciation is her. तो F makes 5 and H makes hive, right? Okay. Now number 2. When will the bees stop work? बीज काम करना कब बंद कर देंगे? बीज स्टॉप वर्किंग when their queen is dead or lost, right? When they stop working when their queen is dead or lost. Now what do the bees do? See, the answer is in the passage. What do the bees do? They all join together to build cells of wax for their honeys, right? And they make honey. So basically, bees make honey. What do the bees do? The bees join. Okay. Now, join के साथ what else? Now, the bees join and work together to make what? To make honey. That is why we call them honey bees, isn't it? Okay. Now write 2 lines about the cells. You have to write 2 lines about the cells. Now, first line is the cells are not round. They have 6 sides, right? Line number 1. And line number 2 is each नहीं, all the cells. All the cells are of one shape and size, right? Now match the correct answer. Workers. What do workers do? Workers work united. And queen bee, she lays eggs, right? So that is all for today. We will do the scene passage tomorrow.